check it out. This is Cyprus. This is a wind that's like crazy sea. This is life. This is what we love. Ocean view, white tips.